So many people have told me about this Pogo, and today I said, okay, let me try it out. So I went to the store to purchase Pogo, so that I can make it at home. As you can see, it's all beef, So look around it, you can see contains protein, and then the other part of it is all written in French. Let's open it. I have opened it, and let me pour it in a clean plate. Let's see. Oh, it has sticks. Okay, I see. This is actually called Corndog. Take a closer look. It is also frozen. Let's check out the cooking instructions. You see, you can microwave it, you can bake it, you can barbecue it. Very interesting. Okay, let's just choose microwaving. So let's take it to the microwave. Cook for 4 minutes. It's ready. Let's bring it out. Let me cut it and let's see what it looks like inside. As you can see, corn dog is made up of flour and sausage. And this is how you decorate it with ketchup and mustard. And these are ways you may serve it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching. Please click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for